guys, and welcome back to Building a House in California. Today I want to create this video to talk to you guys about the concrete that we decided to have placed around our house, why we decided to put it there, and what that process was like. So first of all, we decided to put concrete in front of our garage. So we had a pad put in front of our garage, our 4-car garage, and then we went ahead and we had concrete put around the whole exterior of our house, like a path for walking, so we can access everywhere around the house. And then we did a very long concrete driveway coming up to our house. So we ended up doing a lot of concrete here at this house. It all turned out great. We love the way it turned out. We didn't do it all at once. So we went ahead and we did the driveway first because we were still in the process of finishing our stucco when we decided to do all this concrete around the house. And you don't want to do concrete next to the house before the stucco is complete. This is what we were told, because the stucco can get on the concrete and make a mess. You can destroy the concrete. And it's harder for those stucco guys just trying to work around it and not make a mess. So what we did was we did the driveway first coming up to the house, just the driveway, because there was a good amount of space between that driveway and the house. And then we went ahead and had them do all the concrete a separate day. So they came back a few weeks later and did the pad for the garage and the concrete around the house. So a couple different steps they did to do that. And it turned out great. We're so happy. They did it so quickly. I felt like they had a large crew, probably 10 guys out here. And the process to doing that concrete, so the first step they do is they kind of move the dirt around and get the surface all ready and leveled for that concrete. And then once they're done with that, they put up some concrete form boards all around the areas where the concrete will go. And then they put rebar in between all those areas to make that concrete real secure once it's poured, so it will stay there and last a really long time. And then the concrete trucks, they come in and they pour all the concrete. They had it both times they poured the concrete at our house. It was a large job, and they did it all in one day both times. So they started early. I remember they started at 4 a.m. and they had the guys out here and they had these big lights. I'll show you some pictures of that. These big lights that they had that they put up all around so that they could see while they were doing this concrete at 4 a.m. It was still winter when they did this, so it didn't get light outside until at least 6:30 or 7. That sun didn't come up. So they were able to use those big lights so they could see what they were doing. They worked all day so hard and did an excellent job. Let me go ahead and share with you some of those photos and videos from this process.